Chris Logan here with another Feature Friday for Walnut Ridge Family RV. Today I'm with a 2022 Puma 22 FKC travel trailer. It's got a lot of nice features. We'll look at it on the inside in a minute, but I wanted to let you know this is 26 foot long, about 5,600 pounds, so really lightweight and really full featured. It's got everything as a big trailer would have. It's got the solid surface steps that fold up on the inside. Got a nice little outside kitchen. This is a griddle here, a beverage, refrigerator. It's running, it's cold right now. Pretty big storage. If you look in there, rear, got your light on, you can see. The other thing I'd like to tell you, it's got electric stabilizers. It's got a place you could either mount a TV on this little mount here, coax cable here, plug it in here, or just set it on a table and you're ready to go. Full awning, runs most of the length of it, and let's go take a look inside. Okay, here we're on the inside of the 22 FKC Puma. FKC stands for front kitchen, so the kitchen is up in the front. What that affords you is really many benefits and features. A huge workspace. That's probably a little over 6 foot long of countertop, which you're not going to have in most coaches. I like to point out these open to the sides. Some of the competitors have a flip up one and it keeps flopping down, so this is a nice feature. Microwave at a good height. Stove, you can use this as a workspace if you don't need it. Put some stuff on there. A little spice rack there. Lots and lots of storage. This would be your pantry. It's real deep. You could get some organizers in there, put those in there as well. Nice couch to sit on. This is a jackknife or futon style sofa bed if you needed it. Plus there's storage under there that does flip down. These windows open here. Got a nice window up there. Does not open, but nice 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. That one's running as well. Just bigger than most. Something this size would normally only have about a 6 cubic foot. So we've gone to the 10 cubic feet. We'll storage here. Any TV will work there. Take a look in the bathroom. It's got a nice shower. The other thing I'd like to point out here, if you let me in there, is this is huge to have a bathroom with that large of a cabinet there for towels or whatever things you would need to put in there, particularly in a trailer in this size. Save the best for last on this trailer, or one of the best things for last. A trailer this size you are not going to get other than in the Puma 22 FKC. An east-west bed. Look at all the room there is to walk around here. This is great. That's always a complaint we hear, is can't get around the bed to make it. Real easy to make. Got a window back there that opens, a window up here that opens. Get a nice cross breeze going in here. So again, a 2022 Puma 22 FKC. Walnut Ridge, come out and see us and take a look at this. Thanks.